So welcome to our YouTube channel. So this is a very interesting thing when you see two type of BLDC fan. So one of is smaller than the bigger one. So what can do with to make this running condition? So you would see the other type of supply to 12 DC to 0.14 ampere. This means this must be around 140 milliampere, which is very usually an interesting thing that you don't require any type of motor driver BLDC to running this type of fan. So this is basically a console fan which I removed from a PlayStation. Now the supply will be at 7 volt DC and 0.29 ampere. So this means this is the best for your project. So first you need to if you want to make this type of BLDC fan in running condition and you have only 12 watt DC power supply, which is usually used for this type of fan. So what we need to make some circuit design to running this type of fan. So this is a small size, so that means you need enough current and you need to enough power supply to running condition. So I usually use a type of fan junction diode to make it running. But this type of fan, you see a big one, that usually use a PSP and a CPU cabinet to for ventilation system. So air ventilation system must be important. So this fan is usually used for moving the heat from devices like a console, like a PC, and other type of console. Okay, now I think you understand what type of circuit we need to make this one. So let's connect the power supply first. This type of a small fan. So okay, let's make some move and don't forget to make a resistance and speed controller. Just show how this is running. This is running very smoothly, and this is a silent BLDC fan because it's running silently, and you don't need any other type of heavy brush load, because a carbon brush maybe have a high tolerance but loss of too much power. To saving this power, we use usually this type of BLDC fan. So also running this type of fan on 5 volt DC, but the condition is what type of condition to running the 12 volt DC fan on 5 volt DC. So first you need to make sure the power supply have enough current to running this type of fan, because if you multiply 5 volt to 2 ampere must be 1 ampere, this become a 5 watt. So 5 watt is the least type of USB type of power supply output, but you need to make a high power supply like 10 watt DC. So you need to 5 volt and 2 ampere USB charger. So generally I use this type of PN junction diode, which is the best for this type of DC fan. So this is it. And if you want to running this type of bigger fan, you need the 12 volt DC supply. But instead of this one, if you want to running this type of DC fan, you need to 5 volt minimum 2 ampere power supply. But make sure to use 2 ampere type of power supply. So this is it. These two type of fan have different only power supply, but instead of you need a PN junction diode. So I hope you like this video. video. If you have any question, please feel free to comment below the comment section. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video for the different type of solutions. So goodbye.